Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I Today I'm gonna show you how to make a USB persistent drive for Windows. You can directly install Windows to your pen drive through this method. Try every method step by step. First, you have to download Dropbox. You can download it from here. E- Go on the first link and get here 4.3.exe. The version may change due to time because it always gets updated. So download the latest version. So I have already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download that. Then this is the app. I just run as administrator. Then you have to select the USB drive in which you have to install the Windows. I have my USB drive is 64 GB. This one. In your case, it may be different. Then select here and choose the ISO of Windows 10. So I have Windows 10 22H2 this time, 5.71 gigabytes. Open this ISO. Depends upon your GPT or MBR which you want to do. You can do it at MBR or GPT. It's your choice. Or check your PC is supported to GPT or not. You can check here by this PC manage and go to disk management. And then here the disk 0 properties volumes GPT. My Windows SSD is on GPT. SSD or HDD is may differ, so it's on GPT. So I am gonna choose it GPT. So here I chose GPT, and in there you have to check Windows to go. Second option, Windows to go, and file system NTFS is already start, and you have to choose here this edition which you want to. You can do the same as for Windows 11 also. These things everything will be applicable on Windows 11 ISO 2. You have the choice. Actually, I am installing Windows 10, so I have the editions of Windows 10. If you are installing Windows 11, then you will have the option of Windows 11. And I am gonna Windows 10 Home, any edition you can choose. I am going with Windows 10 Home single language. Okay. Username, it's your choice. USB Windows. Create a local account. I can click. If you have to create a local account, you can choose this, or if you don't want this, you can change from here. Disable data collection, skip privacy question. I'm skipping. If you want to, you can also do that. Regional options of this user. If you want, then you can do. I will not suggest you to do this, but I am doing this. Okay, okay. Now we have to wait for some time. I will cut the video. And finally, it's ready. Our USB is ready. Just we have to close it, and it closes. And our USB, our Windows is installed in the USB. Our persistent drive is ready, and now we have to boot that USB. So, guys, I am showing. I am gonna show you that how to boot that USB. Now I plugged the USB in my PC, and I have to press I have to press the boot menu key In my case, in my PC, it's F11. It depends on the company of the motherboard, or depends on the company of laptop, that the boot menu key is different for different companies. For my company, it's F11, so I am gonna long press it and start my PC and keep it long pressed. Keep it long pressed. I have the boot menu. Then I have to choose UEFI. UEFI 1, because I have the GPT partition. The people who choose MBR as the partition, then they have to select the normal USB stick name. My USB SanDisk, I am using UEFI because I have a GPT partition. Then just click enter, and now it's gonna boot. Just booting. Just wait for a moment. For first time it will take a longer time, but then if you are using it for a long time, then it will not take that much time. Just wait. It's booting. For first time it will take like a starting services. It is, these things are only for the first time, because it has to configure your hardware to the software. That's why it's getting ready. You can skip the video if you don't want to watch this. And now it restarted. And now guys, it's just a moment. You have to wait a few seconds for the first time. Actually, it is the setup of Windows. Just like you set up the Windows for the first time, it takes a bit of time. Now we have to accept it. Now we are booted into the Windows. And guys, sorry for my camera quality, because I have very low end phone to record this. That's why the video may be blurry. Please forgive me for that. Now now we are on the desktop guys. You see, it totally worked. Our Windows is now installed on the USB drive. Now you can plug and play the USB drive. Your USB drive is completely ready. Your USB drive is completely ready to go. Now you can plug the USB drive in any PC and directly run your personalized Windows anywhere. For your clarity, I am showing you that it's the same Windows that we have installed. Actually, my USB stick is very old. It's like 5 to 10 years old USB. That's why it's taking very much time. You should use a new USB to make this persistent drive. Actually, this this thing of persistent drive, it works better on Linux, but now this feature is for Windows too. You can use that. Now we can configure network. It already configures. Now you can see here this PC. If I go to this PC, it's my USB drive, the C 64 56.6 GB 56.9 GB. This one is my USB drive. Now you can clarify. So please, if you guys, if you like the video, please give it a up about like this video and subscribe my channel, please. This is my first video, so I am not actually I'm my voice is a little bit cracking and I am a little bit nervous now. I am sorry for that, guys. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much, guys.